Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to optimize your Facebook ads with Zeely to get the best results. If you're running Facebook ads and want to make them more effective, Zeely's tools can help you create and optimize your campaigns efficiently. First, let's dive into how Zeely can help you design your Facebook ads. When you open Zeely, choose the Create option and select Facebook ad from the available templates. Zeely automatically adjusts the dimensions and design to meet Facebook's best practices, so you won't need to worry about the technical aspects. The platform offers several templates, each optimized for different Facebook ad types like carousel ads, video ads, or lead generation ads. Once you've selected your template, Zeely's AI will help you personalize it. You'll input details about your product, service, or campaign goal, and Zeely's AI will suggest copy, images, and visuals that are likely to resonate with your target audience. It takes the guesswork out of ad creation, making sure the content you create is optimized for engagement. Next, it's important to focus on your targeting. Zeely offers detailed audience segmentation, helping you refine who will see your ad based on location, interests, and demographics. Facebook's algorithm is powerful, but the right targeting can make a huge difference in your ad performance. With Zeely's insights, you can ensure that your ads reach the right people, increasing your chances of conversion. When your ad is ready, Zeely also lets you preview it to make sure everything looks great before launching. The preview allows you to see how your ad will appear on Facebook, ensuring the design, copy, and visuals are all in place. You can adjust elements like text size, image placement, or call to action buttons to make sure your ad grabs attention. To optimize your Facebook ads even further, Zeely helps you with BTesting. This feature allows you to run multiple versions of your ad to test what works best. For example, you can test different headlines, images, or calls to action to see which one drives more engagement. Zeely will help you track the results, so you can make data-driven decisions and continually improve your ads. Once you're happy with your Facebook ad, Zeely's integration with Facebook Ads Manager makes it easy to launch your campaign. Simply click Export and your ad will be ready for deployment. Zeely helps streamline the process, so you can focus on strategy rather than getting bogged down in the technical details. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.